National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, eastern Lake County in northwest Indiana, Porter County in northwest Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Station to Maidalville to Lake Delacarlia and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Portage and Lakes of the Four Seasons around 7:15 p.m. Wheeler and South Haven around 7:20 p.m. Hebron around 7:25 p.m. Lincoln Hills and Valparaiso around 7:30 p.m. DeMont around 7:35 p.m. Malden and Guts around 7:40 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Wheatfield. Other locations affected: Indiana University Northwest, Porter County Fairgrounds, South Shore Cats Baseball, Valparaiso University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flood advisory from the